I just got my second pause box in the post, so let's open it together. Last time I did notice that this label on the bottom is a spoiler. Last month it said POM and we got a pom-pom kit. This time it says TOT. I'm really struggling to think of any crafts it could be, but leave your guesses in the comments below. Go ahead, I'll wait. And now let's see what we get inside. So we have the usual card and leaflets. This time it seems to be focused on decluttering. The booklets contain advice for how to declutter and a 5-minute meditation instruction to declutter your mind too. And now for the big reveal. And I can't help but be a little confused and disappointed. It's a tote bag, so now we know what TOT was hinting at. The bag is grey and seems sturdy enough. It has a quote on it that relates to decluttering, but I'm not too sure it's the sort of quote you want for a shopping bag. Now, I thought these boxes always contained something creative, but after looking closer on the website, I see in fact that it says that each month you will receive a box containing an activity or gift designed to encourage creativity, relaxation, a new skill, or offer a precious moment of calm. Now, I can see how decluttering could be a form of relaxation, but it does seem a little bit of a loose connection to me. I frequently donate to and buy from charity shops, so I can understand the positive feeling of giving things away that you no longer need or want, but I wouldn't really label it as relaxing or put it under the banner of mindfulness. But let me know your opinion in the comments below. I will admit that this box contained much better value for money than the previous one. £8 for a tote bag and some information leaflets still seems a little bit expensive, but as I mentioned in the previous box review, the £8 is a donation to an amazing charity and the box is just a little extra bonus. For those that may not know, to receive the pause box you need to donate at least £8 a month to the mental health charity Mind. For the first 12 months you'll receive a mindfulness box direct to your door. After 12 months you'll still be charged, but the boxes will stop. I plan to keep getting these boxes and review each one, so stay tuned for number 3. Thanks for watching and please consider subscribing. Now, this box might have actually given me an idea for my next video.